Greetings, my name is RAMI YASSEIN and I'm recording this video as part of FYP1 progress video. My project, which is Resolvo, an NLP-based client issue management system with intelligent criteria for software engineering companies. My supervisor is Dr. Muhammad Lokman. So what I did during progress 1, which is I did chapter 1, which talks about introduction, the problem I'm trying to tackle, and what my project focuses on. So first of all, let's have an industrial context and background. I worked for a company which is an ERP, small to medium enterprise, named Wavelet, and that company faces an issue which is managing clients. Usually clients is not just a single entity. It's an entity that have so many other people under it. Like it has employees, and it's very hard to manage all of them if they report when it comes to reporting issues of our application or our service that we provide to them. Uh, so how it's being managed now? Right now, it's being managed through telegrams. So we have telegram channels with one client, let's say Crocs Multimedia, have all its employees under it joining this telegram channel with one project manager assigned and different developers assigned to assist them if they have issue with our application. And then we have another client, let's say for example a PC image, they have their own channel, their own project manager, their own developers. So when issue is being reported, maybe the same issue is being reported across different clients, and then the project manager, since they don't have connection, they can report and issue tickets for a duplicate issue. This one is caused a real big problem and a headache for the organization and waste a lot of resources. So what is the critical problem I'm trying to solve, which is fragmented communication? So this communication between project managers, communication between developers, and I'm trying to reduce redundant reporting so that it doesn't waste developer time, management time, and two developers working on the same problem at the same time. And also inefficient idea classification of problems. Some of the problems that clients report are actually not a problem. It can be solved by if they have more understanding of the system. That's why I'm trying to tackle this by use of AI or by use of self-resolution, and also classification of problems, so that what kind of problem is it? Is it an enhancement? Is it a bug that's urgent, or is it a simple feature? So what are the project objectives? So my project objective, as I said, is that I do want to do requirement elicitation and system design, and also AI engine implementation using natural language idea, and also finally I want to verify that the system works well. So the scope of the project will include a client hub where the clients can issue their tickets and explain their issues within it, and then the AI will try to self-resolute. If it fails to, it will notify a project manager, and that project manager can then uh, get an AI assisted help, like identify is this issue a bug or enhancement, and also the system will alert if this is a repeated issue that have been communicated beforehand. So it will have NLP Trigia module that categorize issues based on what are they from understanding of the text that the client sent. And we have management view so that the project manager can manage his development, his issuing of issues to developers, and tracker integration. So basically, the client can also see the track, how is the issue being doing, is it under developer, is it being fixed now, and also ask to be verified by the client when the issue is being fixed, etc. So what's the value of Resolve? Well, we want to reduce duplicate reporting by 30%, and also we aim to increase self-resolution by 20%. Like 20% of the tickets that is being issued by clients are resolved by AI automatically using RAG. Like the AI will understand my system and then try to self-resolute it. So for chapter 2, which is a literature review, so analyzing of the existing system and architecture technology options. So current, moreover, this is the difference between my system that I'm trying to develop and the existing systems that try to achieve what I am aiming to achieve. So first and foremost, we have chat systems, which is Telegram, that's currently being used. It's good that's client facing. Clients can use it to communicate with project managers, but the problem is that it does not detect any duplication in issues, and it doesn't allow for self-resolution of issues. Like the project manager have to manually communicate with clients to to resolve his issue. And engineering workflow sync, which is basically integration to the developers, there is none. Like the project manager have to go by himself and assign issues in GitHub, for example, to the developer. So this is a big problem. And then we have agile trackers like GitHub or Get issues. What's the problem is that it doesn't have any client accessibility, like clients cannot access it, and just have semantic duplication. You can just check by words and stuff like that, not by AI, RAG, and no self-resolution, of course, and it is actually client developer faced. And then we have traditional information technologies management systems and what's called client management systems like Zendesk. It's client accessible, yes. They have web portal for clients to submit issues. Does they detect semantics? Limited to text matching, like if they have the same word, then yes, but doesn't have AI powered detection. And self-resolution aid, yes, there is only few frequent asked questions document, so that AI could help answer it, but it doesn't have a full context awareness of the system. And then engineering backflow, there is none. It doesn't have an existing backflow to the back end to the code where it can assign issues dynamically to the users. And my system will have client facing, and it will have also semantic duplication and self-resolution, and will be also automatically pipeline the issue into the developer side, in which he can update it, and it automatically notifies the project manager once it is resolved, the issue is resolved. So literature review for front end, I can either use Angular framework, React framework, or Vue.js, each with their own trade-off. And similarly for back end, I can either use Spring Boot or Python Fast API, which is good for fast development, and Node.js, which is good if I want to continue with the TypeScript backend instead of Java based or Python based backend. And for AI or LLM orchestration layers, we have LangChain, which is most widely used orchestration tool, and it is used for pre-built pipeline connectors. And we have semantic kernel, which is Microsoft structured integration framework that prioritizes precision, compliance, and control widely used in business automation systems. So, and then for lastly, we have vector storage and vector similarity search. So literature, we have relationship extensions and dedicated vector databases. And that's all for me. Thank you.